Hey there! Today, I'm taking on the challenge of mastering business automation using some simple but powerful hacks, and I'm going to see if I can implement them all by the end of the week. Sound like fun? Let's dive in! So let's talk about business automation. It's a total game changer, especially as we head into 2024. If you've ever felt like you're drowning in repetitive mundane tasks, you're not alone. The beauty of automation is that it can free you from all that busy work, giving you more time to focus on the things that really matter, like growing your business, strategizing, and maybe even sneaking in a little more time for yourself. Manual processes. They can be a real productivity killer, right? They eat up so much time, leaving you with less space to be creative or think big. And let's be honest, manual work is super prone to errors. How many times have you had to redo something because of a tiny mistake? It's frustrating, and it can really drag down your team's morale. Plus, in a world where speed is everything, sticking with manual processes can actually slow your business to a crawl. We're talking missed opportunities, unhappy customers, and even employee burnout. It's just not sustainable anymore. That's why automation is so exciting. By automating the right tasks, you can sidestep all those issues and stay ahead of the competition. And trust me, in 2024, the tools and techniques available for automation are nothing short of amazing. You've got everything from workflow automation to AI and machine learning, all designed to take those tedious tasks off your plate so you can focus on what really moves the needle. For example, think about something like data entry. It's not the most glamorous task, but it's essential. Now, imagine automating that process. Suddenly, you're not just saving time, you're reducing errors and freeing up your team to work on higher value activities. Or how about email marketing? With automation, you can set up entire campaigns that run themselves, targeting the right customers at the right time with the right message. And that's just scratching the surface. One tool I absolutely love for this kind of thing is Zapier. If you haven't heard of it, Zapier basically lets you connect different apps and software to create workflows that automate all kinds of tasks. It's like having a little robot assistant that handles the boring stuff so you don't have to. And then there are chatbots, which can provide 24/7 customer support, answering common questions and helping customers whenever they need it. That's a huge win, especially if you're running a small team or just getting started. But let me share a powerful automation hack that has been a total game changer for businesses. Using automation workflows to streamline tasks. By creating custom workflows, you can automate things like content creation, social media scheduling, and lead nurturing. And the results can be huge. For instance, a marketing agency I know used automation workflows to take their content creation process from a clunky, time-consuming mess to a smooth, efficient machine. They saw a 40% increase in revenue, and their customer satisfaction scores went through the roof. It's clear that the benefits of business automation are undeniable. You're not just boosting productivity, you're transforming the way your business operates. And in today's fast-paced world, that's the kind of edge that can really set you apart. So I'm curious, what are your thoughts on business automation? Have you started automating any tasks in your business? If so, how's it going? I'd love to hear about your experiences and any tips you've picked up along the way. So drop a comment below and let's chat. And hey, if you're into productivity hacks and want more tips like these, make sure to check out my other videos. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any new content. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you in the next video.